Ready for your spooky party, guests? Enjoy the party.
Cool, Bat!
Wow!
Amazing!
It's really big!
Thanks! I made it! Now, who's ready for some of my monster dancing?
What's this garbage? It's getting in the way of my dance moves.
That is not garbage! Oh! I know it's here somewhere. There! It's time to create the ultimate party centerpiece! Sarah's Spooktacular House of Scariness! Whoa! Sarah, that's amazing!
What's amazing?
Thanks! I made it. So, who's ready to play one of my games?
Yeah! Anything but make a mummy.
So this game is called Pin the Tail on the Spooky Cat.
Can anyone else smell burning?
My house!
My bat!
Oh, this is so nice and peaceful.
The cafe's on fire! Stop! We have to call Fireman Sam!
The fire's getting worse!
Everyone, lie down on the floor. Get as low as you can.
Come on, let's do as Penny says!
The door is blocked and the children are trapped in the back.
Elvis, you take the hose and I'll get the crowbar.
Firefighter Sam, Air 100%.
Ready, Elvis?
Ready,
Firefighter
Sam!
Whittington, Air 100%.
Keep back, everyone!
One at a time. Take my hand and stay low.
That's it, Mandy. Come to me.
Phyllis Price is floating out to sea with Hannah and James and a giant birthday cake.
Dillis is floating out to sea with Hannah and James and a giant birthday cake. Penny, you come with me to the Ocean Rescue Center. Elvis, you help Fire Captain Steele.
Roger that, Sam!
You get Dillis, I'll pick up James and Hannah.
Roger that, Sam.
Oh, my cake's got a soggy bottom.
Leave the cake, Dillis, and grab hold of this.
Get James first, Sam. I'm a much stronger swimmer.
If you're sure, Hannah.
I am.
Where's Hannah? Hannah!
I got Jupiter!
I'm fine.
Oh, flying
down the street I was, headed straight for the harbor. I'm spread out on the wheelie.
We're really sorry we messed around with your present, Uncle Sam.
And caused such a big accident.
Well, as long as you always remember that racing around can be dangerous, especially when you're near the water.
On behalf of everyone in Pontypandy, I would like to present my brother Sam with a very special present. Not just to say happy birthday, but also to say thank you for being our own very special hero.
It's supposed to be Jupiter. Sorry, it got a bit broken.
It couldn't be more perfect. Thank you all.
To Sam. Happy birthday.
Oh no! Help! Fire! Ah! Oh!
Oh!
There is a hill fire in Pontypandy Park.
There's a hill fire in Pontypandy Park.
Come on! Penny, we'll fight the fire from the bottom of the hill. Elvis and Ellie, evacuate everyone from the stand.
Air, 100%.
I'm glad everyone's safe. Whenever there's a fire on a slope, it's always important to stay below the flames, because fire and smoke travel uphill very quickly.
I'm sorry, Fireman Sam. And I'm sorry, Bella. I just wanted to watch some soccer, but I should have been concentrating on the pizzas.
Oh, I understand, Norman. After all, I love my football as much as you.
Really? Come on, flaming hoses!
Go, horses!
Mamma mia! That was bellissimo! Can I have your autograph?
Sorry to ruin this celebrations, Norris, but have you forgotten our long-standing rule? Winner buys dinner.
Eh? What's that you say? Bacon and maple syrup, eh, Norm?
Yeah, I'll have a barbecue shrimp, thanks, mate.
Smoky pepperoni, please, Norman.
Spinach pizza for me. Hold the cheese.
Can I get a calzone? Rolled twice with the crust no more than 1.5 inches thick.
Can I get a small meat pie? Not a bad game today, Norris.
Thanks, old sport. You weren't so bad yourself. My ball.
Alarm tested, Uncle Sam. The batteries are fine.
Well done, James. You've completed the Fireman Sam challenge.
Hooray!
Now, I just need to finish this.
We're back!
Uncle Sam, I spotted something else, but it's not in the house.
What is it, James?
There's a fire on the mountain.
That's where the pioneers are. I'd better call the station.
There's a fire on Pontypandy Mountain.
There's a fire on Pontypandy Mountain.
forest trails are too small for Jupiter. We'll need to take Venus. Water cannon, Penny. We have to contain the fire.
I'm on it.
That's dampened it down, Penny, so we could do with some backup.
Hang on, Sam. I'm on my way.
That'll do fine.
I'm sorry, Sam. We got a bit carried away making the giant bear and...
Just remember to keep your wicker animals a safe distance from your campfire and your campfire a safe distance from your tents. You two should have known better.
Yes, Sam.
Congratulations, everyone! You all get your...
With a penguin.
Did he say penguin?
Come on, we'll take Jupiter.
Everyone, get back! Stand back!
I think we're okay. The ice is melting. The water will put out the fire.
It's an electrical fire, Mike. Water just makes it more dangerous.
What are we going to do, Sam?
Ellie, you turn off the power. Arnold, you blast the fire with foam.
Roger that, Sam.
I'll get Norman.
Power's off, Sam.
Stay calm, Norman. I'm on my way.
Now look what you've done. Fireman Sam can't reach me.
Norman, use your penguin to skate to me.
I didn't mean what I said, Pengy. You really are a super penguin. Now, get me out of here!
Come on, Norman. You can do it. Now, Norman, this penguin is to help you to learn to skate. You're not meant to play ice hockey with it.
Sorry, Sam.
And certainly not when there's electrical equipment around.
Yes, you knocked over my lights.
Only because they weren't secure, Mike. You should have checked those stands properly.
What? Oh, I'm sorry, Sam. It's my own fault. And now my whole ice rink's melted. It'll take me ages to fill it again with my garden hose.
Don't you worry about that. Arnold?
You'll soon have your ice rink back. On a cold night like this, it'll be frozen by morning.
Yay! We can play on the ice rink after all.
Where's Super Penguin, Norman?
I don't need him anymore. I can skate perfectly well on my own.
Whoa!
Pass to me! Oh!
Oh dear.
Don't worry, Bronwyn. I can do it. I'll save the froggy fantasy.
Norman, James is the star of the show, not you.
But James hasn't turned up. Ta-da! Oh, stupid flippers!
My water lilies! My heron! My scenery!
We'd better call Fireman Sam.
Fire at the pool. The Froggy Fantasy has burst into flames.
There's a fire at the pool. The Froggy Fantasy has burst into flames.
We'll meet you there, Arnold.
We'll drive Venus and Jupiter down.
That won't be quick enough. Tom, you'll need to winch me up.
Right away, Sam.
To the pool!
James? James! Oh no!
Here comes Tom! And Fireman Sam!
Stand back, everyone!
Sam! We can't find James. He didn't do his Froggy finale and
He's
not...
locked in the change rooms.
What? How did that happen?
I wanted to be the star of the show, so I blew the door shut. I'm really sorry, Fireman Sam. I didn't know there was going to be a fire.
Never mind that now, Norman. We need to rescue him, and we haven't got any fire engines here.
Oh no! What have I done?
Tom, I've got a plan. I need you back here right now. Hup, yeah. I'm heading for the changing rooms. They're not on fire yet, but they soon will be. Are you ready?
Nearly, Sam. Just loading up.
Help! Help! Oh!
It's all right, James. Stand back.
Oh! Uncle Sam!
Hey. I've got you. Don't worry. Tom, are you ready?
We there, Sam? Elvis? Okay, Tom.
I've got it all under control. There's a flock of sheep stampeding all over Pontypandy.
Sounds like they're heading this way, sir.
No! My model village!
We'll need to act fast to set up a blockade. So, we'll need Arnold, Ellie, and Elvis to bring all the vehicles down. Then we can block off this street, and this street while we round up the sheep along here.
Roger that, Sam.
We'll be needing our animal rescue uniforms. Rounding up the runaway sheep now, sir.
Thank heavens for that. Come back here, you silly sheep! Whoa! Ow! Oh! Ouch! Ow! Oh, my poor little vegetables.
Got you.
Ready, everyone? 3, 2, 1.
Now it really does look like Pontypandy.
Come one, come all, to the greatest show on. Up here. Norman's Flea Circus. Ta-da!
Oh no! Fireworks! There's a fire! They're in the tent! Where they keep the fireworks!
There's a fire in the tent where they're keeping the fireworks? Those things could go up like a rocket. There's a fire in the tent where they're keeping the fireworks. We need you back here now, Sam.
Roger that, sir.
Keep back, everyone. Those fireworks could go off at any moment.
Mike, what have you done?
Oh, I know.
Penny, you keep the fireworks boxes hosed down.
Yeah.
I'll tackle the rest of the fire.
Oh.
Looks like this tatty old board was the cause of the fire.
That was my masterpiece.
I'm thinking that might have had something to do with the fire.
I'm sorry. I was trying to dry the paint quickly with my heater.
Well, you need to be much more careful about where you set up your heater, Mike, especially around fireworks.
Sorry, Sam.
Are the fireworks okay?
Well, these ones are a bit soggy, but I'm sure we can get some more in time for tonight's display.
It took me ages to paint that board.
Don't worry, love. Why don't you just go get the one from last year?
Well, that's it. Better close up for the night.
Norman Price! Those coconuts were glued down?
Oh, thanks, Penny. I slipped, but I think I'm okay.
You're a long way down.
What do you think, Penny?
I can't carry her up. There's no room for us both to fit. We've got to find another way out. Oh, what's that noise?
Two experts are definitely walking.
What's going on down there?
I can hear Fire Captain Steele working on the handcart.
Ah! She'll be growing body wings by now and hanging upside down. Poor Mandy Bat.
Moose, is there a map of the caves?
Yeah, right here.
These are the caves. They go into the mountain this way, and the old mines go into the mountain this way. And they get pretty close, just where Mandy is trapped. Huh.
All ready to go, thanks to two experts.
It needs two drivers as well. Who's coming with me?
You're the one who knows about emergency rescues, Norris.
Penny, can you hear me? Penny! Ah! There! Stand back, Penny!
Get behind me, Mandy.
The whole mountain's shaking.
Don't worry, Mandy. It's Sam. Look out for the ice! Sam, Titan can't get past the ice.
Roger that, Penny. Tom, are you there? We're going to need Wallaby 1.
On my way.
I don't like out-of-control trains that are on fire. Do something, Normaxo.
Okay, Normaxo will phone Mom. I'll call my alien buddies to fly in and rescue us on our interstellar communication device.
That's your shoe, Norman?
Norman, this isn't the time to...
I'm on a call.
Fly us above the train, Tom.
No worries, Sam.
Normaxo, look! Your phone call worked!
It's a UFO.
UFO! Aliens!
Huh? Norman?
Shh! I'm hiding from the aliens.
Sorry, Sam. We'll have to head back to the rescue centre till this blizzard blows over. There's just too much snow.
That's it! Snow! Drop me off here, Tom.
Nice one, Sam. Totally epic.
It's an alien on the roof.
It's not an alien, Norman. It's Uncle Sam.
Of course it is. I knew that.
Nothing's coming up on radar.
Tom's dinghy may be too small to show up.
Just keep your eyes and ears open, everybody.
They can't hear me. Oh. Hey! I'm over here! Hey! I'm over here! Hey! Whoa! What I'd give to be back in my helicopter!
The wind is northwest. The tide turns in 3 hours. Plus, there's a spring current running. There. That's where Tom should be. And Sam is searching over here, in the wrong place.
The wrong place?
Sam?
Come in, Sam!
Charlie, we're listening.
You need to change course. Tom should be west of Pontypandy Island and a lot further out from shore.
Are you absolutely sure, Charlie?
I fished here for years, Sam. I'm as sure as any Pontypandy fisherman can be.
Penny, Ben, you heard Charlie. Let's change course.
Roger that, Sam.
Hang on, kids!
Will Tom really be where you said, Dad?
I hope so, Sarah. I really do.
I'm not sure how much longer I can hang on for. An engine? It's a boat. Hey! Yes! Beauties! You found me!
There you go, Tom.
Oh, thanks, guys. I thought I'd have to swim for it.
It's Charlie you need to thank. He told us where to find you.
Ahoy there!
Thanks, Charlie. If it wasn't for you, I'd still be up there, mate. You're a legend.
I guess something went right today after all.
Our dad is the best.
He's the coolest dad ever!
All those who agree, sound your horns.
Well done!
Come on, everyone. Gather in close.
I don't know what Sam was talking about. Where is it to photograph?
I'm happy to announce Radar is 100% happy and healthy.
Hooray!
I'm still a bit confused, Lizzie. Why has Radar been under the weather lately?
I have no idea.
Well done, boy. You deserve your favorite chocolatey treat.
No, Elvis. Chocolate can make dogs really ill. Have you been giving them lots of chocolate treats?
Well, no. Yes. Maybe a few.
Mystery solved. Huh?
Oh!
Trevor Evans is hanging off the edge of a cliff.
Trevor Evans is hanging off the edge of a cliff.
Penny, you and I will go in Venus. Elvis, call in Tom with the helicopter.
Roger that, Sam. Go get him, boy. I'm proud of you.
Hang on, Trevor!
Here comes Fireman Sam.
I see him, boy.
Oh dear.
Gotcha. You have to be much more careful, Trevor. You could have been badly injured.
You're right, Sam. I think my tree climbing days are over.
It's my fault you were in the tree in the first place, Trevor. I'm so sorry.
We just needed to find the fox.
The fox?
So sorry, Mom. I forgot that you told me that the fox was a wild animal. Because I thought it looked like a dog, and I opened the cage to feed it, and it escaped.
You mean that fox?
Yes, that one. Me and Norman tried to find it, but we couldn't find it anywhere, and it's back?
He found his own way home. Looks like he knew when his feeding time was.
Well, it looks like everybody's happy.
Does that mean that nothing was actually my fault?
Mrs. Chen, the possibility of successfully navigating a sheep field is approximately... Never tell me the odds.
I want my mom!
I'm going to climb on now. That stopped the engine, but you still have no brakes and you're heading straight for the cliffs. Elvis, I want you to throw a rope to the bus to slow it down.
You mean?
Yep. Get out your lasso and round them up, partner. Now hit the brakes, Penny!
Thank you, Sam. You stopped us just in time.
Well, you can thank Elvis for that. But you should always check that vehicles are safe before you drive them.
And if that brake cylinder belongs to this bus, then I'm guessing it wasn't.
Oh, Trevor, I'm so sorry.
Don't you worry, Mrs. Chen. That was a good bit of exercise. I'm just glad you're all okay.
I promise that next time we have a school trip, it will be less haste, less waste.
Marvelous job, you two.
Thank you, sir.
And as for you, Cridlington,
Yes, sir?
that was some lassoing, partner. Ah.
There's a woodland fire near the mill.
There's a woodland fire near the mill.
Hold on. Where do you think you all are going? There is no way this crew is fit for duty.
But there's a fire in the woods.
I'm afraid, sir, this is down to us.
What? Oh, yes, us. I'll just get my helmet.
Stay well back, everyone. Help will be here very soon. Where's the rest of the crew, sir?
I'll explain later, Sam, but we're here now and ready for action.
Okay then, let's get this fire under control. You two take the hoses. I'll start beating. This could have been easily dealt with if you boys hadn't lost those floppy shovels.
Sorry, Fireman Sam.
In this hot weather, it's vital to be able to put out small fires quickly before they spread.
I should never have left them alone with that cooking stove.
That's true, Trevor.
Ah, nothing like getting away from the office and putting out a good fire. Don't you agree, sir?
Absolutely.
Are you okay, sir? You sound out of breath, old chap.
Goodness me! What happened here?
Fire Department Chief Boyce's Shape Up and Shine fitness program.
Just a bit of harmless exercise.
Harmless? Harmless if you don't overdo it.
Fire Department Chief Boyce is an expert on exercise, Sam.
The island, I'll sweep the surrounding ocean.
Hannah!
Ben, you've really floated a long way.
I kept drifting in the current. They're searching the island.
But we're over here. Anything?
Nothing, Penny.
Sam, they're not on the island.
They can't be far. You keep looking there, I'll go north.
Over here!
You don't think we're stuck out here, do you?
No way. Not with Sam and the team looking for us. They'll find us. Told you.
It's Ben and Hannah. I found them.
We're on our way.
It's my fault, Sam. I should have stopped when I felt my shoulder go.
Well, we all push beyond our limits sometimes, Ben. Lucky you had Hannah with you.
You okay, Hannah?
I didn't finish.
Off you go.
Huh?
Finish the challenge.
Really?
Well, she might need a bit of help.
Go, Hannah!
Pedal like the wind!
Made it! Yeah!
Oh, of course you did, Hannah. We knew you would, didn't we?
Yep.
So let's have a big cheer for Pontypandy's new Kayak Challenge champion, Hannah!
Looks like one of the old mine shafts.
Okay, Penny, we'll search the caves. Elvis, you lower us down on the winch.
Roger that, Sam.
Thanks, Elvis.
The tracks go this way, Sam.
That's Norman Price.
I can't hold on much longer.
You won't have to.
Fireman Sam!
I'm going to call for backup.
I'm coming down.
We're going to need Neptune and Wallaby 1. Fast.
Roger that, Sam. On my way, Sam.
Oh no.
You're safe, Norman.
Good work, Penny. Lower the double harness, Tom.
Roger that, Sam.
You first, Professor. Ah. And now you, Norman. So, you two, what happened there?
We're really sorry, Fireman Sam.
We won't do any dangerous treasure hunting ever again.
I'm glad to hear it.
Castle heading north-northwest, Sam.
Roger that, Ben.
This is all your fault, Norman Price.
We'll be fine, Mandy. This thing is full of air, so how can it sink? Oh no, not you again. Shoot, shoot!
Huh?
No, no, stop that! Get off!
Hang on, Mandy. Hang on, Norman.
I'm slipping! Thank you, Fireman Sam.
Thank you, Elvis. Huh? Wait, what?
Sorry, Fireman Sam. But it was that nasty seagull's fault.
Norman, it was our fault. We should have waited like my dad told us.
Mandy's right. We should have waited. Sorry, Mike.
Well, as long as you've learned your lesson, remember, safety always comes first.
I'm just pleased you're both okay.
And we even saved the bouncy castle.
Oh, now I'll have to fix it and blow it up all over again. Thank you, Norman.
When it's ready, Mike, can I have the first bounce?
Fire Captain Steele. How's Elvis getting on with my passion fruit and pecan pastry? You said you'd ask Elvis to make it for me.
Ooh, that, well, I forgot. Sorry, Dillis.
Oh, no! But the Fishy Fun Day starts in half an hour!
Cridlington, I need you in the kitchen immediately.
Sorry, Fire Captain Steele. I'm playing at the Fishy Fun Day. Don't want to let my fans down.
But I need you to make a dessert.
Someone say they needed a dessert?
No! I'm seeing double!
He's not me, sir. He's my cousin. I'm Jerry Lee. Jerry Lee Cridlington.
Another Cridlington?
Oh, you should ask Jerry Lee. He's an even better cook than me. Ta-da! One passion fruit and pecan puff pastry.
Oh, Jerry Lee! That's marvelous!
Oh!
I suppose having two Cridlingtons around isn't such a bad thing. Oh, delicious.
Come back here, seagull!
Sam, watch out!
How are we going to get to the mountains now?
It's too stormy for Tom's helicopter. I'm calling the station. There's only one thing strong enough to move this tree.
Will anyone find us, Granddad?
Don't worry, James. I'm sure we'll be rescued soon.
Okay, Phoenix. You can do this. Easy does it.
No, come on, Phoenix. Let's get out of here. Stand by, everyone.
Hold it there, Penny.
Saturn is ready to launch, Sam.
And I'm ready to head into the mountains.
Come in, Sam.
Saturn has detected
Body heat just ahead of you. Over.
Copy that, Elvis.
It's Uncle Sam!
Come in, Elvis. I found them, and I'm bringing them down.
Roger that, Sam. I'll bring Saturn back.
I'm sorry, Sam. I should have checked the weather before heading off.
Yes, Gareth, you should have. Winter weather can be very dangerous, especially in the mountains.
Well, you can be sure I won't do it again.
Going up into the mountains was very brave, Sam.
You think that was brave, Elvis? I still have to tell Mrs. Chen we don't have a great big Christmas tree. Or maybe we do.
Are we ready?
Fireman Sam standing by, sir.
Firefighter Phillips standing by.
Firefighter McKinley standing by.
Firefighter Morris standing by.
Wallaby 1 standing by.
Well, this is relaxing.
Right. On with the show.
Hello, Ponty Pandy.
Well done, Elvis.
Oh, yes. Well done, Cridlington. Always knew you could do it. Yes. Right. All clear, everyone. Back to the station.
Bye. Well, I just hope Mike does as well as me.
Hello, Ponty Pandy! I'd like to introduce you to the new member of my band, the Strum Master 2000! Ta-da! That's a place I know where people say hello!
Your new band member's not exactly Elvis, is he, Dad?
He will be! Turn it up all the way, Joe!
Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear.
Oh no! Elvis really wouldn't do it like that!
Dad, you need to stop!
Someone needs to call Fireman Sam!
Mike Flood's guitar machine has gone out of control and set the stage on fire.
Mike Flood's guitar machine has gone out of control and set the stage on fire.
Elvis, you and Ellie go in Jupiter. Penny, you and Arnold take Venus. I'll take Mercury. Ellie, Arnold, you get everyone to safety. Elvis, make sure the power's off. Penny, you help me tackle the blaze.
Roger that, Sam.
Power's off, Sam!
I don't think the Strum Master 2000 will make it to his solo.
Everyone, move back!
Yes, you all need to be at least 5.5 yards back.
Power off, Sam.
Sam! I did it! I got out of my animal rescue uniform. I'm ready to fight the fire.
I'm sorry, Elvis. It's too late. The fire's out.
Oh.
Wait! It's not too late!
What is it, Hannah?
I put lots of pizzas in our oven and turned it up really high. Oh no! That might be on fire too!
Ah! I'm on my way!
Power's off!
I'm really sorry. I got everyone to cram too many pizzas in the ovens. I think I got a bit bossy. A bit?
I know you were trying to help your granddad, James, but you should have waited for your mom or dad to do it for you.
I'm sorry, Sam. We should have kept more of an eye on them.
And now Granddad doesn't have any pizzas for his railway gala.
I think I might know where I can get hold of some food.
I hope Fireman Sam gets here soon with some food.
Me too. I'm really hungry. Oh.
Here's Sam now. I wonder what he's brought.
Oh.
But...
Well, I never... It can't be.
Bella Lasagna!
Bella Lasagna?
Bella Lasagna!
It's so good to see you all. And when Fireman Sam said that you had an emergency, I fired up my pizza oven.
And she made as many pizzas as she could.
And I hear that you're becoming quite a little chef, James. I can give you cooking lessons anytime you like.
That's great! Maybe we could start our own pizza restaurant. Huh? No way, Chef. No, Chef.
I'm going to do it! I'm actually going to win! Ah, wait! Where are you going, Horsey? Horsey! Ow! Ow!
Oh no! The horse is stuck in the mud! Call Fireman Sam, Sarah. I'll estimate our position using my map.
Norman Price is stuck on a horse, which is stuck in some thick, sticky mud.
Norman Price is stuck on a horse, which is stuck in some thick, sticky mud.
Roger that, sir. Tell Ellie to bring Phoenix and meet us there. It's It's an animal rescue, so we'll need you to come along too, Lizzie.
Okay.
And I'll need someone else. Arnold!
Huh?
Come on, let's go. Ellie, remember to turn your siren off so you don't scare the horse.
Roger that, Sam.
Get me off! This is nothing like it is on the TV.
Close as you can, Ellie. I'll get Norman to safety, and then we'll need to get the horse in the harness. Arnold, can you keep it calm?
Me?
You can do it, Arnold.
Now, don't you worry about anything.
Yeah, don't worry, Norman. I've got you.
Phoenix will get you out. Well, when I say Phoenix, technically speaking, it's a purpose-built 4x4 off-road vehicle.
Well done, Arnold.
Thanks for giving me another chance, Sam.
You did really well, Arnold. You could come and work for me anytime.
Is there anything you want to say, Norman?
Yes! If it wasn't for that silly horse, I would have won! I mean, I'm sorry, Fireman Sam. I just wanted to beat James.
But you didn't though, Norman, eh? The badge goes to whoever used their map correctly.
Well done, James. You were totally awesome.
That's the nicest thing you've ever said to me, Sarah.
I don't believe it! Why is it always James? Ow, my name's James. I've got a map.
Arnold, we might need you to calm something else down.
If you're stuck, give him a shout. He'll be there to help you out. So move aside, make way for